Hello my little loves, welcome to this quick journal with me. We're going to do 3 prompts together. I am just about to head out and walk some dogs, but I realised I need to fill my journal with me this week. So I quickly got myself ready in my little seat. I mean, there's not much to do apart from set the camera up, get my book, my pen, and get myself sitting here ready to go. So let's get stuck into it. I'm not going to hang about, no dilly-dallying. So I'm going to start with my favourite one just because we need to do this. We need to ask ourselves this question. We don't often do it. So how am I feeling today? And we're going to go for 3 minutes on this one. Okay, prompt number 2 is, what does happiness look like for me? What does happiness look like? And you can even add a little extra bit in there. What does happiness look and feel like for me? What does happiness look and feel like for me? And we'll go for 3.5 on this one.
Some say love is a winding road, carves a map through the darkest night. Some say love takes a heavy load, helps someone make the burden light, teaches you not to hold too tight. You and I've come a long way together. You and I've got a long way to go. You don't have to ask me now or never, 'cause I'm already yours and you'll always be mine. Some say love is a fire that grows, bound to hurt when you let it go. Some say love is a choice we make, a holy vow we should never break. And maybe that's just the chance we take. You and I've come a long way together. You and I've got a long way to go. You don't have to ask me now and never, 'cause I'm already yours and you'll always be mine. You'll always be mine. You and I've come a long way together. You and I've got a long way to go. You don't have to ask me now and never, 'cause I'm already yours and you'll always be mine.
Okay, and your final prompt is, what is stopping me from moving forwards? What is stopping me from moving forwards? And we'll go for 3 minutes on this one. Well, I wrote quite a lot for all 3 of those, which is great. And as always, like, if you need longer on these prompts, then come back to them, spend some more time on them. The purposes of this session is so that it's a quick fire, you know, you're struggling to find some time. So here's, you know, 10 to 15 minutes of journaling, dedicated journaling time. Just want to throw in quickly, just to put it on your radar, and because I'm so excited, that if you really enjoy kind of getting stuck into this journaling, and you want to deepen your practice, and you want to connect with some more like-minded individuals, like-minded women specifically, who also love journaling and also love self-discovery, self-exploration, then the doors to the True Self Society, which is my community membership, are opening on the 7th of November. So I will be dropping more information into my videos over the coming weeks. I will drop a link down in the description box so that you can go and check out a bit more about what it's all about. Get yourself signed up to the wait list so that you're notified when the doors open. And also, very importantly, on the 26th of October, so in a couple of weeks' time, I am running a free journaling workshop as well. So again, I'm going to put all the details down in the description box below, because you can get yourself registered for that. It's an hour long. We're going to cover off what journaling's all about, and then we're going to do some prompts together, and it's going to be absolutely wonderful. So I would love to see you there, and I will see you again in the not too distant future. So have a wonderful week, my loves.